There is a moment in every journey where you realize something important. Your life is not only shaped by what happens to you, it is shaped even more by what is happening inside you. Two people can go through the same situation. One breaks, one grows. The difference isn't the event. The difference is the inner world responding to it. Today I want to talk about something quiet but powerful. When the heart heals, life begins to rearrange itself around that healing. One inner shift, one decision, one revelation, one release can create a ripple effect that transforms relationships, choices, boundaries, faith, peace, and your entire direction of life. Change doesn't start outside, it starts in the deep places. We spend so much time trying to change the outside, changing jobs, changing cities, changing people, changing routines. When your inner world begins to heal, subtle things start to change. You begin to respond instead of react, speak instead of suppressing, leave environments that constantly wound your spirit, stop begging for love that must be forced, set boundaries without guilt, and, recognize what peace actually feels like. People may say you've changed, but the truth is you are finally becoming someone whole instead of someone surviving. Your outer life adjusts to match your healed heart. Healing doesn't always fix relationships. Sometimes it clarifies them. You may notice conversations feel different. What you once tolerated now exhausts you. Manipulation becomes easier to recognize. Distance forms where there used to be unhealthy closeness. And, new healthier connections appear in your life. Some people fit the wounded version of you and not the healed one. That is painful, but it is also part of growth. You are not abandoning people. You are abandoning patterns that were slowly abandoning you. Inner healing softens your heart toward God. You no longer approach Him just from fear or duty, but from relationship. You begin to feel, I am loved even when I am not perfect. God was with me even in the moments I thought I was alone. I don't have to earn worth. I already have it. And as the fear loosens its grip, peace has room to settle in. You don't chase peace anymore. You become peaceful. Pray this gently with your own breath. God, touch the places in me that still hurt. Bring light into my hidden corners and kindness into my self-judgment. Heal the memories that taught me fear and loosen the lies I believed about myself. Give me courage to feel and wisdom to choose what is healthy. Let the change begin in my heart and let it ripple gently into every part of my life. Amen. You do not have to force your life to change. Heal and watch what shifts. As your heart softens, your choices sharpen. As your self-worth grows, your standards rise. As your peace deepens, your life reorders itself around it. One inner shift can begin an entire new chapter. Grace for your healing, grace for your becoming, grace in the journey.